Sa Ontiveros na meron siya talagang script. I was there, I saw her. She was really parang na-excite siya nung na ipin down si PRRD, di ba? Pero mahalaga na na-clarify yesterday, walang reward system. No? Walang reward system. Tapos number 2, walang Davao Death Squad, walang ganyan. Ilang beses na yan naulit, no? Pero pinipin down yan. And sinasabi ni PRRD, meron pa siyang sinabi na PIDEA, di ba? Na hindi yan enough. And I know for some reason she took offense over it, but it was validated by everybody, even si Senator Pimentel validated what President Duterte said. Diba? In other words, when you're talking about the good of our country, kasi that's what it is nga, diba? Yesterday, Senate hearing is supposed to be for legislation, but of course, Risa Ontiveros forgets this because she's there not for legislation. She's there for politics, diba? Para to put down the Dutertes, etc., and her political ambitions. And you cannot do that. We just beg